Is a Zillow home sell-off about to break the housing market? Recently, someone sent me a viral post that talks about Zillow eliminating its iBuying program. This is a program where a user can go to their website, have Zillow make an offer, and then sell their house to Zillow without having to go through the complicated mess of putting it on the housing market. The post reads, "So Zillow let a robot buy up thousands of properties, outbidding real buyers and artificially inflating the market, and now will be laying off a full quarter of its workforce and selling off the properties to rental corps like BlackRock at vastly discounted prices. That right?" Well, no, not really. Let's look at this statement piece by piece. First, did Zillow let a robot buy up thousands of houses? Well, yes. People chose to sell off market to Zillow rather than put their houses on the market. Zillow would then make repairs to the house and try to sell it back at a higher price. This is known as house flipping and is very common. The next thing it says is that Zillow outbid real buyers. No, it didn't outbid anyone. It bought off market. That's how flippers get better deals. They buy at a discount and save the owner the effort of hiring an agent, listing their property, negotiating deals, etc. Now, I own investment properties myself, and flippers regularly try to get me to sell my houses off market to them. But I would never do that because I know better. However, flipping is also notoriously difficult to do, and Zillow did end up overpaying for those houses. I have pointed out in past videos how Zillow entering this business was a bad idea because they are bad at pricing houses. The next claim is that they artificially inflated the housing market. This is the most egregious misunderstanding of the situation that they have in their statement. Zillow's dip into the market did not influence the housing market. How do I know? Because Zillow was purchasing at what would amount to an annual rate of 20 to 25,000 houses nationwide. The average house sales numbers nationwide is about 6.5 million, which would make Zillow's numbers about 1/3 of 1% of the total market. These numbers would never make an impact on the market. And even if they were doing way more house selling than that, there are a lot of other factors they would have to overcome, which I talked about in my previous videos on Zillow where I predicted their failure. So no, Zillow is not a nefarious market manipulating corporation. They are incompetent at valuing homes, which is why you should always speak with a knowledgeable real estate agent in your area if you're trying to get a good idea about prices. And as always, these videos are just me giving my opinion. You should always do your own research before following the advice of people on the internet. But if you would like my opinion on something regarding investments in real estate, feel free to ask me in the comments here. Either way, I hope you have a great day.